Hello all. Today's video is largely talking about what is the least that you can do on a new moon day. New moon day also has a lot of energies. It has good energy to release something out of your system or invite something into your system. This day, what I do is something I'm sharing with you, and this is the least you can do on this particular day. Number one, clean your house up, clean your space up like a thorough cleaning. Clean all the doors out, all the windows out, especially the entrance of your home. And that is where all the energies will start coming inside. Number two, after cleaning the house, you can ring the tingsha bells. In Hindi, we call them manjira. You can ring them all around your house. You can burn a camphor tablet along with Shuddh Desi ghee. You can burn it around home and just walk clockwise in your home everywhere. You can also alternatively use a Palo Santo stick, or if you don't have these, no problem, go ahead and use the incense that you have at home. This is something you do throughout the day after you've cleaned up. You can also use all your crystals and you can wash them off. You can get them new energies, play some chants and stuff like that. And when all of that is done, in the evening, at the entrance, I put a bowl of water, and I put a floating candle on top. The candle will be charged over for whatever kind of energies I wish coming in to my life. If you don't have these, it's okay. You can just place a bowl of water. There are a lot of water remedies that you can do. In fact, I have a workshop coming up very recently where I teach a lot of techniques to work with water. If you'd like to enroll for that, you can get in touch with me separately. But today, this video is all about what you can do on the new moon. So, with a wish and the kind of energies you want coming into your house, please use a floating candle. Tomorrow, you can use a road opener, or this evening itself you can use a road opener. In this, I'm using a road opener that is yellow along with energies of green, that is prosperity or some kind of healing. In the evening, before you go ahead and do your candle rituals, what you need to do is at the entrance of your home, on both the sides, place a little bowl, put camphor tablets into it and burn. Outside your home, both the sides of your door, please put diyas with mustard oil in that and let them burn till the time they are going ahead. And this is what I usually do on every new moon, and this is with the idea of letting go of the old energies and inviting new energies into my life, into my home. There are a lot of people who believe in making prosperity checks, who believe in doing so many other rituals with space cleaning, with removing blocks or inviting newer energies. But this is the basic most you can do on your new moon. I wish you all the very best for all that you will be able to do today. If you're not able to do everything, it's completely fine. It is alright. Go ahead and do how much ever you're able to do. And whenever you're done, please send me your experiences. Please send me what kind of changes you see just as you start clearing your space up and start inviting newer energies. Please do not forget to put certain kind of empowering chants and just being with that energy. This is the time of lockdown. This is the time you can actually change the energies of your home if you really decide to do it, because you have all the equipment, space and time to do it. If any of these are not available with you, you can always go ahead and ask me what is it that you need to use, and I will guide you into it. And after the lockdown's over, any of the spiritual supplies that you see here or any more than that you need, you can always get in touch with me and get those made available to you. So I will wait for your question, queries, or experiences that you have with you. Thank you so very much.